There's really nothing better than a good, crisp, clean glass of water, and getting that really doesn't have to be all that hard. So sure, there's many of us that are on city water, or a lot of us that live in more rural areas, or just other areas that have well water. And a lot of the refrigerators have these built-in filters that will help get out some of these contaminants and make the drinking water better. There's the ones that screw onto faucets, which are the worst, or you can get the jugs that go in the fridge that also drip and filter the water. A lot of different ideas. But if you really want to purify things, then you may want to look into systems, whether they're a whole house system or just under sink. Could be single stage, triple stage, reverse osmosis, all this crazy stuff could go under the sink. So I looked at that option first, and I didn't have power for one of these bigger units. And number two, it just wouldn't fit. That's where the EcoViva countertop reverse osmosis water filtration system comes in. This is a zero install, plug and play filtration system designed to give you clean, great tasting water without the hassle of plumbing or expensive bottled water. Just fill it up, let it filter, and enjoy purified water virtually anywhere. So what makes this system really stand out? First, it removes over 1,000 contaminants using advanced reverse osmosis filtration. That includes chlorine, heavy metals, nitrates, and even PFOA and PFOS. So you know you're getting clean, safe water with every pour. And unlike traditional RO systems that waste a ton of water, this one is way more efficient. It has a true 3-to-1 pure to waste ratio, which means of every 3 cups of purified water, only 1 cup was wasted. That makes it 375% more efficient than standard systems. Another big plus is the faster water flow. While most countertop RO systems are pretty slow, this one delivers clean water at 0.42 liters per minute, which makes it almost 60% faster than similar systems. And let's talk about the carafe. It's not just a basic glass container. It's been reinforced with 150% thicker glass and has a built-in stainless steel plate, making it stronger and more durable. It also includes real-time TDS monitoring and filter life reminders, so you always know the quality of water you're getting and when it's time for maintenance. No guesswork, no surprises.
Now, while I'm no water scientist, I did run a test with one of those home test strips that will show all the different chemicals that could be in the water as well as TDS. And compared to what's coming out of our straight faucet, I will say that this did present really good results, and there was a slight difference and reduction in the different chemicals that show up in this test using the EcoViva water system.
You can quickly fill up this glass carafe that it comes with to either have on-demand drinking water or use it in things like coffee, cooking, or whatever you want to use it for. Now, of course, there's a lot of things that go into it as far as what can really be removed using all these types of filtration processes, but I will say that as it displays what's being removed from the total dissolved solids, or TDS, from what my input is, that at least makes me feel better, and testing with the test strips show a really good quality of water. Can I taste the difference from our traditional well water that comes right out of the normal faucet? I would say so. Can I taste a big difference from the one that's coming from the filtered faucet? Not much, but from what it's telling me, it's still reducing the TDS even further down to make a cleaner glass of water. So if you don't have a built-in filter to your fridge, then something like this may be the way to go if you don't want to find yourself under the sink installing other filters.